When you dropship a product, and let's say you make around $100,000 in sales, ask yourself, what if you could have made 5 times that amount? Now you may be thinking, am I talking about running more Google Shopping ads or even TikTok ads? No, not at all. What I will uncover in this video is something very inexpensive that can help you 5x your earnings. It is what big brands like Sephora, Amazon, Starbucks, Dropbox, and Warby Parker and many other brands use to 10x their sales. When a customer buys from you and you're able to fulfill their initial order, this basically means it has now become even easier to further sell more products to them because they now trust you since you obviously deliver their first order. When this happens, you get 2 advantages. Make sure to watch the end of this video where I'll reveal these 2 advantages, plus how to 5x your dropshipping sales and also strategies you can use to automate the entire process. And that's not all. I will also reveal how to know which other products your customers are going to want to buy with a 99.9% certainty. Hi guys, Precious here. Welcome back to the channel. This video is part of my dropshipping on a budget series that I just started. In this series, I'll be covering everything you need to know about how to start doing dropshipping without spending a fortune. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. This will help others find this video and also help me and the channel a ton to many times in advance. If you're looking to start dropshipping and need a website like this one, check out blueanna.com for our ready-made websites that come with hundreds of products. You can also drive 500 visitors per day to your dropshipping website for as low as $30. Link in the description. According to research, it is 25 times harder to acquire a new customer than it is to retain the current one you have. An existing customer will spend 31% more on any given purchase. After a customer's first purchase, 27% of shoppers will come back for a second time. The second-time buyer is 45% more likely to buy a third time. And the third-time buyer is 54% more likely to purchase again. What if you had a system that takes the customer through their first, second, third, fourth, fifth sale, and maybe even more times without being involved? Of course, this will not only save you money, but your time as well. If you're spending a ton of cash, or maybe you're trying to spend as little as possible on dropshipping, you want to watch this video to the end because I will reveal how you can increase the lifetime value of your customers by giving them what they want. BCLTV is a Blue Anna coin term, which means Blue Anna Total Customer Lifetime Value. This is a proprietary formula that calculates how much you can make from a single customer based on the product they purchased and the recommended upsells. How do you find products that you can sell to your customers for their second, third, fourth, and fifth sales? You can think about this in terms of your customer's journey and where they are in that journey. If we take, for example, the baby nursing USB milk and water warmer product, you can ask yourself, why does this customer need this product? In this example, the product is for the customer's child that is somewhere around 0 to 6 months old. Now put this at the back of your mind. We're going to circle back to it. To find upsell products, try to come up with product ideas that people at their current stage in your customer's journey will want with a high certainty. Our trending product marketplace lists hand-picked trending products from AliExpress for dropshippers. On the main page for this recommended trending product, we can see the listed upsell recommendation for this product. Click on the link below to sign up for a 2-month free access on blueanna.com. As I mentioned at the start of this video, when a customer successfully buys from you the first time, this gives you 2 advantages. The first advantage is that you now know what the customer wants or the pain point the customer has. The second advantage is, depending on the card system you're using, your customer already has their credit card or payment details stored, so this makes it easy to further upsell them. Now, all this is great and rosy, but the following questions still remain. How do we go about implementing all of this? How do we increase our customers' lifetime value? These are all great questions. We can do all this through email marketing. But before we proceed, it's important to know that for customers who order our ready-made websites, you don't need to think about these next steps at all, as all our websites come with this type of email sequence built in. Check the link in the description for more information. The first thing you want to do is create a series of emails designed to convert the customer. You should have different emails created and scheduled in the following category. The first type of email is a promotional email. Promotional emails basically go straight to the point. They are mainly about the products and usually include discounts and coupons. You can use this to promote multiple upsell products at once or just a single product. If we browse to the upsell section of the baby nursing USB milk and water warmer product on Blue Enna, you'll see that the first suggested product is the baby bottle sterilizer, and the second upsell suggestion is the baby diaper bag with changing nap. These two products will be added to our emails. A promotional email will typically have a greeting section that is personalized to the customer. I added personalization by including the customer's name. This was added both in the subject of the message and also in the body of the message. I highlighted the product that the customer previously purchased. Down here, we also have eye-watering offers that will be hard for the customer to ignore. This includes a 20% discount on the two upsell products we are promoting. Here, we prominently showcase the upsell products. We also have text that reads the coupon will expire in 2 days and a call to action button that links to the product page. Lastly, we have the closing section that thanks the customer for being part of our community. Did you notice the black XXX text? This is a placeholder for an auto-generated coupon code that the system will generate immediately the email is sent to the customer. This is great because you don't have to manually create different coupons for every email each time you want to schedule an email. You do, however, need to configure it at the side. The next type of email we'll create are educational emails. Educational emails are designed to educate the customer. The subject and a large part of the email body will be about providing information. The content in this type of email should be related to the product so it makes sense to the customer. You can include a link to the product at the bottom of the page. Here is what an educational email would look like. Just like the promotional email, the subject includes the customer's name. However, for this email type, the subject starts with a warning. Now, we know that the buyer has a child, so an email with a warning about something that could harm their child increases the likelihood of that email being opened. In the body of the email, I explained what the warning is about and also linked out to the blog post that talks about the issue. Down here, you can see a clear image of the product that is being promoted. In this example, it is the bottle sterilizer product. Here, we see another personalized text that shows the customer's name. Of course, this is a placeholder. When the email is sent, the customer's name will replace that part. Below this text, we also have an auto-generated coupon code, a CTA button for the customer to take action, and a closing text. The third type of email is a testimonial email. Technically, this email type can be categorized as promotional. However, this will be largely focused on testimonials and images of customers who are happy with their purchase, specifically customers who viewed the upsell product as a lifesaver. You can get lots of testimonials, including images on AliExpress that you can use to create this type of email. Here's what a testimonial type email looks like. As always, the subject includes the customer's name, but this time, the subject also includes a part of the testimony, which is a quote from a satisfied customer. There's also something that is designed to pique the interest of the customer, which in turn increases the open rate of the email. In the body of the text, you can spot two testimonies, each having images that were taken by customers who purchased the product. Their names are also shown here. Down here, you can see a clear image of the product that is being promoted. From here, we have similar text to what we have in the education type email that I explained just a few minutes ago. Now that we understand the different types of emails we need to schedule, how do we go about adding and scheduling these types of emails on our website? To set this all up, I'll be using a WordPress extension called MailPoet. You can also do this using MailChimp if you're using Shopify or even WordPress. MailPoet is a free email marketing tool that is free for your first 1,000 customers. It is natively integrated with Woocommerce. That's why we are using it. You can download it from the WordPress repository. I already have this installed, so we'll just go ahead and get started. To add an email, locate the MailPoet menu, click on Emails, click on the Add New Email button at the top, scroll down and select the Purchase This Product email type. Select the main product and then finally enter the time you want this email to go out to the customer. Once you do this, hit the Next button and you can begin writing your email. It's important that you schedule these emails appropriately. I recommend you space the emails at least 4 days apart. The emails you schedule should be a mixture of the 3 email types I mentioned previously. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show how this will work with MailChimp or any other email marketing extensions and plugins. Leave your comments in the description. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, like, and share so that others can find it too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.